How's it going, everyone? Coins with Syrup here. And today we've got our last coin back from PCGS. This is the 3 cent piece that we sent to get restored. Came back in the classic black box, which I don't have, so that's pretty cool. I already took the paperwork out. So let's go ahead and see how this looks and what kind of a grade we got. Alright, there we go. Definitely looks a little better than when we sent it in. This is the 1862/1. Let's see what we got for the grade. XF45. And that might be the same grade that it was when we sent it in. I'll have to check. But anyways, it definitely does look a lot nicer than it was. But anyways, that's it. Appreciate you guys watching. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you all later.